Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JABRA Elite 7 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily go to your user manual. So the first way is by opening the app and going into this gear icon over here. Here you can scroll all the way down so that you can see JABRA Elite 7 Pro user manual. You can click on this and you will be redirected to your user manual. The second way is going into your web browser and search for your headphones with the user manual and it. So if you search for JABRA Elite 7 Pro with user manual, additional text, you will see a couple of websites with your user manual. The first one is the correct one, or the second is one too, but it depends on your language, phone language and region. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.